Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have a haul video to share with you. I did already record this. Unfortunately, when I was zooming in and out, I ended up changing the video to slow-mo. So I think pretty much the beginning, that the intro to the video was normal, and then everything else was me slowly. It was terrible. So I have to refilm this, but obviously all of my canvases are opened. And this is me going through this for the second time, but we will try and get through this. So these are canvases that I purchased from FGNormal. There were a couple of images that I have been wanting for a little while, and I was checking all of the websites. So I went through Fansales, GBFKE, FGNormal, I think that's it. I used those three. Sorry, so not all of them, those three, to see, first of all, who had the canvases that I was looking for, and it was Fansales and FGNormal had the majority of the ones that I wanted. And then from there, I ended up choosing FGNormal because of the cheaper shipping. So shipping was free for these ones. With Fansales, they still have the 10-pound shipping, so it would have been more expensive through them. So I ordered these September 18th. They were shipped September 20th, and I received them September 30th. So that is 10 days. And again, I purchased these canvases myself. This was not sent to me by FGNormal. I purchased them through FGNormal. Okay, so I'm gonna show you these ones. This was the main, sorry, crinkling. The main reason for my purchases were these Disney princess images. I had seen them on an unboxing, and it was a while ago, so I'm sorry, I do not remember who it was that had shown them. And they purchased them off Amazon. I did find them on Amazon, but not on Amazon.ca. So the only place I could purchase them from was Amazon.com. And of course not free shipping, so it would have been $50 for me to purchase these 4 canvases. They're 30 by 30, and of course they're not exactly 30 by 30. They are 25 by 25. So for 4 of them from Amazon to come to Canada was $50, and these ones were $3.99 pounds. I don't remember exactly how much it was Canadian, because again, FGNormal shows the price in the currency that you choose, but as soon as you go to the cart, everything changes back to pounds. So they were $3.99 pounds, and again, free shipping. So there is Jasmine and Aladdin, Cinderella and Prince Charming, Belle and the Beast, and Snow White and Prince Charming. And I double checked, they both are Prince Charming. I don't get it. But they are so cute. I absolutely love them. I have a lot of Disney fans in my family, so I thought that would be a good idea. Again, because this is the second time of me going through it, I'm not going to show you guys the drills, just specifically on these ones, because they are just basic round drills. The colors are pretty much the same as what they show on the images, and it's more just because I wanted those Disney images that I had seen. So that is those ones, just quickly for you guys. The next one, I'm sure that you have all seen this. I believe the first time I saw it was on Natalia, Lovecraft Forever. This is the fall pumpkins and chickadees. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see the whole thing. So cute. I love fall. It is my favorite season. I love pumpkins. Love, love, love. So let me, oh, do I even have the drills? No. I didn't pull out the drills. I had already put them away with the rest of them. So I do have the drills, I just don't have them here to show you guys. But this is just a round drill, 30 by 40, but again, not 30 by 40. It is 25 by 35, so you lose 5 centimeters on each. Ooh, static. There is the drill area for you guys. Nice and super clear round drills. It is sticky. And there are 2 legends on the side, one on the left, one on the right, and all letters and numbers. That's the super awesome part about that one. I love just the letters and numbers. So there's that one. Adorable. Now these 2, let me show you the first one. And again, sorry, I'm just at the perfect zoom on my camera so that I can see what you guys are seeing. This is a 40 by 50 and this is a square drill. This is another one that Natalia had purchased from FGNormal. And I had seen this image before and I had always wanted it, but I was concerned about the size because I only saw it in the 30 by 40. So this is a 40 by 50, but it's not. This one is 34 by 44. So this one you lose 6 centimeters on it. It does have a wider edge on the sides here. It is a little bit of a different canvas. It is super sparkly. See the sparkle there. The drill field is nice and clear. The glue is definitely thicker and glossier. So it's a really good glue. And there is glitter throughout the canvas. There are 2 legends. And no DMC codes for this one. So all letters and numbers, which is good. You can see the drill field in there is still nice and super, super clear. Another legend on this side. I do have the drills for this one here. So here's the packaging. It's just the silver and plum, and it just has the color number and the canvas code. But they are square drills. Quality looks good. We will be able to see more once we get it out to actually work on it, but the colors are really pretty. There are lots of grays for the chair in the background, but the flowers are very vibrant. Green, this pink, and another violet, and then we have the light mauve, yellow, purple, pink, green is pretty, and another purple. So really pretty colors, square drills, very excited about that. A very sparkly canvas. The next one I found, so those were the ones that I was looking for. The 4 princesses, the fall pumpkin and birds, and then that chair with the flowers, and these were bonuses. So this one I happened to find when I was looking at the square drills. It is another 40 by 50. But it is 45 by 35, so this one's a little bit bigger. And I'll show you the thumbnail. There's the thumbnail. It's like a sunset with the killer whale. The legend, we have DMC codes on this one. It's letters, numbers, and some symbols. And you can see the drill field there. It's nice and clear. it is a sparkly canvas. So I don't know if you can see the sparkle in there. And the glue is sticky. It's not as thick as the chair one, but it is still good and glossy. But the image itself is just so pretty. Here's the drills. The colors are just beautiful. DMC code is on the canvas, but not on the bags. The bags just have the color number and the canvas code. Beautiful turquoise, yellow, blue turquoise, purple. Those two. We have all our blues. Navy blue. Grays, pink, and another gray. So those are all our colors. So pretty. It's going to be gorgeous. Get those back in there real quick. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I will try and link them down below for you guys. So you can see, you can search on FGNormal by square drill, and it will list all of the canvases that they have in square drill. But all right, now the last one. Not going to be able to show you guys the full image. Sorry, shaky camera for a second. I have it underneath my tripod. This is an odd size that I have been wanting to check out just to see what it looks like. And it is a 25 by 115. So it is a very long, skinny diamond painting. You may have seen some. They have giraffes, they have ostriches where they're like 3 of them or 4 of them and their heads are poking into the image. But this one is a super adorable pony / Pegasus painting. So, gonna start at the top here. Try not to have any glare on it. There is our first little Pegasus sitting on a cloud, a rainbow up above. So cute. And then we have a second one in here. So adorable. And all the stars peeking out of the clouds and the rainbows that go across. It is just so happy and cheerful. The last one here is on the ground with a crown in its head and all of these beautiful yellow flowers. It's so pretty. So pretty. Cannot wait to do this one. It just totally reminds me of My Little Pony. They're not My Little Ponies, they're fake My Little Ponies, but they are so cute. There are 2 legends, one at the top and one at the bottom. They are all alphabets, all alphabet. So upper and lowercase alphabets, DMC codes. You can see the drill field is nice and bright. Obviously we have really bright colors, so that helps. The glue, sticky. It's not the super glossy kind, but it's glue. And again, it's 25 by 115. I did measure it. It was 20 by 110. Yeah, just shy of 20 because of these edges. And then 110 was the length. Round drill. So it'll work up nice and fast, I think, because it is skinny. Let me put it here so you guys can see. It's so cute. And the colors. Look at these colors. So bright. Again, DMC code's on the canvas, but not on the bags. The bags just have the color number and the canvas code. The colors are awesome. This is the background. Number 23 is 3756. So it's a nice light mint color instead of white. cool. And then we get into all our super bright colors. So awesome. I cannot wait. And I think it would look really great in the little girl's bedroom or in my bedroom. So adorable. So that is it. Those were my purchases from FGNormal. I just felt the need to do a little shopping for some snack size paintings. So check them out. Again, I will try and link them down below for you. I will link the website also. And I will also link Natalia, Love Craft Forever, so you can check out her. She did finish this fall chickadee one, so she does have that in one of her videos as a finish, and she has already started the chair with the flowers. That is in a recent video that she just posted, showing her progress on that one so far. So take a look, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.